Namaskar. Welcome to Dr. Rao's Temple of Learning. This is your YouTube channel, Spiritual Management Course. Today we are discussing 20th small independent discourse entitled as Always Be Full of Sense of Equality. Yes, this is Dr. A.P. Rao, Vice President, Telecom Division, High Physics Laboratory India Private Limited, MIDC Ranjangaon, Pune, Maharashtra. So welcome to this independent 20th small discourse. This discourse suggests you to check if you are suffering from superiority or inferiority complex knowingly or unknowingly, and instead of having superiority or inferiority complex, you are more realistic with the sense of equality. The spiritual management suggests that nothing is 100% equal or same to any other. Let us say what inferiority complex is. In psychology, an inferiority complex is an intense personal feeling of inadequacy, often resulting in the belief that one is in some way deficient or inferior to the other. An inferiority complex is not a diagnosable mental health disorder. It cannot be diagnosed externally. Instead, the analysis says low esteem is one possible symptom of the same, including anxiety disorder. What are the other symptoms of inferiority complex so that we can understand if one is suffering from it? Insecurity and low esteem is one. Inability to reach your goals or feeling stuck. If you wish to give up easily, means you are suffering from inferiority complex. Anticipating the worst is the another symptom. Feeling the need to withdraw in social situations is another symptom. Often feeling down on yourself, experiencing anxiety and depression, and being sensitive to criticism. If these symptoms are within you, then you may say that you are suffering from inferiority complex. Let us see what the superiority complex is. Superiority complex makes us feel with exaggerated self-importance and drains our creative energy. Thinking you are better than other is one of the fastest ways to shut down your capacity for experimentation and calibration. Superiority complexes are usually formed in reaction to feelings of inferiority. People who exhibit symptoms of superiority complexes are usually doing so to overcompensate for their deep feeling of inadequacy. The picture shows the example of superiority complex. What are the symptoms? This complex makes us decide to act superior in order to mask our inferiority or any sort of shortcomings. High valuation of self worth, boast claims that are not backed up by reality, attention to appearance or vanity, overly high opinion of oneself, a self image of supremacy or authority, unwillingness to listen to others, and overcompensation for specific elements of life. These are known to be the symptoms. If you observe in yourself, that will indicate that you are suffering from superiority complex. Now let us speak about what the equality complex is. What is equality complex? Equality does not bring suffering, but the equality complex does. So, in one way, it is less dangerous than inferiority or superiority complex, but it is dangerous. The equality complex says, for example, I am as good as something, which is just an approximation and has no meaning. Sometimes in the society, we indulge ourselves in gender equality. It is a complex. How a male and female can be equal? They may be said as counterpart of each other, but this does not mean they are equal. In fact, spiritual management says no one is superior or inferior or even equal to anyone else. These are the creations of the society to decide the way of working. The spiritual management says that every object in the universe is interweaved. See the picture. Actually, we are interrelated to each other and also depending on each other. In fact, no one can be independent at all. Therefore, equality is okay, but complex is not. For example, if amoeba, which is a single celled creature who has started producing oxygen after creation of earth, was not there, the oxygen breathing elements like us would not have born. So everything is important at its place. As spiritual management suggests, everything in is interweaved to each other and have a specific role to play in the universe. There is a small story of my own. Once, while travel for a 15 hours journey, I was reading a book. I observed a person next to my seat who was restless. I was watching his activities, including his gesture and postures. Since we two were there and I was reading, so he did not talk to me out of his good manners. After some time, he could not restrict himself and asked, what important am I reading? Then immediately he told about himself and asked, who am I and where I am going? In fact, he was also knowing that there is no stop for the train till destination. I told that I am professor of electronics and telecommunication and reading a book of my choice. He immediately asked, "Is it related to your field?" "No," I replied, and continued my reading. I was understanding that he wanted to know about me, that how big I am, what is my social status. The people having characteristics of sense of equality never discuss people but only the issues. In fact, most of the people have either superiority complex or inferiority complex. Actually, they judge you either from your past or for your future. And after taking or talking to you, they decide your status in comparison to their own, whether they are above you or below you, and accordingly they behave. As another example, when you are talking to children around you, they will talk to you according to their interest and will never ask you about your status in the society. They speak whatever is in their mind, irrespective of your views. And this is what sense of equality, not the complex, which all of us should need at all the times. So, superiority complex and inferiority complex both are not good. The spiritual management teaches us that instead of having superiority or inferiority complex, we become more realistic with the sense of equality. So, the good one is the sense of equality and not the complex. As a concluding remark, we may say that an inferiority complex is not a diagnosable mental health disorder. The superiority complexes are usually formed in reaction to the feelings of inferiority. The sense of equality is a must, but there should not be a complex about it. So, spiritual management suggests us that neither anything is bad nor good, and nothing is same as anything else in the universe. So, as a balance, it is best to always have the sense of equality for human beings. With this conclusion, I thank you very much for your patient hearing, and as usual, I finish this discourse through a shloka from Veda. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Means it appears you can take as much as you want from the nature and still you will be left with as much. Thank you. Thank you very much.